Many a times, there are people that they want to import product from a particular city or a particular province within China. However, doing this on the 1688 app sometimes becomes difficult for people who really don't know how to do that on the 1688 mobile app. In today's episode, I am going to walk you through how you can import goods from a particular city. And one of the reasons why we do that is to cut down the cost of delivering your goods from the supplier's warehouse to your shipping agent's warehouse. So if you open your 1688 mobile app, just as you can see from this interface, you come to home. So this is home. So let's assume you are sourcing and you want to import from a particular supplier within a particular city in China. When you get to home, this is the search part. So let's assume I'm interested in importing blenders. So when I get in here, I can type in blender. Then I click on search. I wait for the interface to load. It brings me to this very interface. Gives me different results. So what we see here are products from different suppliers from different province or cities within China. However, I want to import or source for this product from a particular supplier within a particular province or city. So when you get to this interface, what you need to do is to click here. This side means location, or you can use your Hi Dictionary or your Hi Translate to translate and see what is there. So you can see location. So you click there to collapse. So these are the various cities or province within China. So you can see that I am scrolling and you can have a look for yourself. So let's use our translator to translate and see. So the first one is selected. So you say municipality. So maybe I want to import or get the product from Guangzhou. So when you come here, so Guangzhou is in the Guangdong province. So I click on the second one, or let's translate and see what is here. So that is Guangdong. So let me just tap on the second one. So you can see that it has been selected. So it brings me the various cities or provinces that are within Guangdong. So you can see them. You can see them. So you can use your translator to translate and see which particular province do you want to import your goods from. As I said earlier, I'm using this as a practical so that it guides you in knowing where and how to import goods from a particular province or city within China. So you can use your Hi Dictionary to translate and see which is which. You see all areas. So you see Guangzhou. So Guangzhou is the second one. In all areas has been marked. So which implies that if you are searching for goods, let's assume that you are searching for goods within Guangdong. So all areas. So it means that all areas within, it could be Guangzhou or this or that or this or that. So it doesn't matter. But if you are specific of importing from a particular city, let's take that Guangzhou, which is the second one, or no, the first one. You just select that very one. Then you come and click on this very side. Now, what the 1688 mobile app does is it will scan through the system and bring out all the suppliers within Guangzhou that produces blenders or that produces the particular product or item you are sourcing for, so that you can move on and have your ordering or go through your order process successfully. So anything that you see here are products from suppliers within Guangzhou. Notwithstanding, if you want to go in for a different province, a different province. From this interface, you know where the location is. So this is location. So you can click that part to open. So you can use your translator to translate. So you can see as I'm translating Shandong. So let's assume we want to import from a supplier within this Shandong. So you see that I've selected that one. So these are the various province or cities within the stipulated province. So you can just select or use your translator to know which is which. Then you just select and you are just good to go. You come and click on this very part. You wait for it to load successfully so you can see it for yourself, and you are good to go. You are good to go. So folks, this is how we source for product from a supplier within a particular city or province. Sometimes you can see a product picture and you don't know the location, you don't know where within China. But sometimes too, on the same picture, you can see that they have indicated the location of the supplier. So you can use this methodology to source for that particular product from that particular city. If you find value in this very tutorial, I'll plead with you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated as and when I drop a new video. You can like this video, you can give your comment, because it is your comment that gives us the morale to keep bringing you these insightful tutorials. Stay tuned for more.